How to fix message not sending problem on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the message not sending issues on Messenger on any smartphone. So without further ado, let's get started. So as here you can see, I'm trying to send a message but it's not sending even though I'm connected with the Wi-Fi. Now, to fix this issue, let's move forward to the solution. So the first thing we can do is just clear message cache and data. To do that, simply press and hold the Messenger app icon. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, simply tap on the app info option and it will take you to the app settings. From there, you can see the option labeled storage. Simply tap on that. And now in this section you can see the clear data option in the bottom center of the screen. Tap on that and again tap on clear cache from the pop-up menu that appears. And after tapping on clear cache, confirm your action by tapping on OK. And with this, let's go back to the app settings again. And from there you can see the option labeled connection method. Simply tap on that. And here ensure your preferred connection. It could be Wi-Fi or mobile data. But to get in comfort zone, make sure to enable both of the option. And if the issue still persists, you can simply restart your smartphone and try sending a message again. And after following these steps, your messenger message should now send without issue. And if your problem is solved, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. And if you are still facing issues, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.